Welcome to polling.com. In this video, we'll show you how to create and set up a webhook in just a few minutes so you can start capturing responses the moment a survey is submitted. Starting off, we'll need a webhook endpoint to receive data. For this demo, we'll use webhook.site. However, you can use other options that work for you to get a URL. Copy the temporary URL provided at the top. This is where polling.com will send the survey data. Next, let's create a webhook together. Start by logging into your polling.com account and heading over to the Integration section in the left-hand navigation. Select Webhook from the list of integration options. Click on the My Webhooks tab to see your active webhooks. Then, click the Add Webhook button to create a new one. Give your webhook a recognizable name, something that helps you identify its purpose. Then paste in the URL from webhook.site or your own server endpoint. Under Payload, this is where you can review the variables that will be sent. For now, we'll leave it as is, but you can always customize it later. Want to see what the data looks like before you go live? Just click Preview Parsed Sample. You can filter this webhook to trigger for all surveys or just one specific survey. Before wrapping up, make sure to switch the status to Active at the top. Then scroll down and click Save in the bottom right corner. Next, go to the Surveys section and grab the link for the survey you want to test. For this example, you can fill it out and submit it. However, other people will typically be submitting this for you. Then, return to webhook.site. In your webhook, you'll now see the post request from polling.com. From here, you can see all the raw content from the request. This includes detailed info like survey ID, user ID, session data, responses, and more, all sent in real time to your endpoint. The last thing we'll do is double-check that everything worked correctly. Back in polling.com, go to the Webhook logs under the Integration section. You'll see a status code here, like 200, which means your payload was successfully delivered. Click Details to view the full request and response data. That's it. Your webhook is now up and running. With polling.com, integrating real-time survey data into your workflows is easy, flexible, and reliable. Ready to take your data automation to the next level? Sign up today at polling.com.